Oh kids, today we are going to meet some wild animal. So are you ready to meet them? So let's go! Lions near the water. Hello everyone, I am Leo the lion. I am the king of the jungle and love to take naps in the sun. What do you like to do when you are relaxed? Forest rabbit is hopping in. Hi there, I'm Roxy the rabbit. I love hop around and munching on carrots. What is your favorite snack? Growl the horse in. Hi there, I'm Harry the horse. I love to run fast and feel wind in my mane. Do you enjoy running or riding bikes? Again, the cheetah jumps in. Speedy greetings. Hi, I'm Cora the cheetah, a fastest land animal. I love to chase after my friends. What's your favorite game to play? Mine is running. The tall trees, surrounded by giraffes, stretching necks. Greeting, I am Gina the giraffe. I reach high for the tastiest leaves on the tallest trees. What is your favorite food? Up high. Crocodile slides in. Hello, I'm Charlie the crocodile. I love to bask in the sun and splash in the water. What do you like to do? What in the waters? Hi, the eagle soars. Hi, I am Andy the eagle. I love to fly high in the sky, spotting everything below. What do you like to see from up high? Well, are gathered up. Thanks for meeting us. Remember, every animal has something special. What is your ultimate favorite animal? So tell us about your opinion. So kids, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy, like, share and subscribe Danyal Haider Cartoon for Kids. This is your own channel now. So meet you in the next exciting video. Until goodbye for now.